Let's show actual results compared to your goal in Excel with this handy chart. It only takes 1 minute. We're going to select all of our data and press Alt plus F1 to insert the chart. Delete the title by clicking on it and pressing delete, and then do the same with the grid lines. Next, we want to change the chart type, so click on that at the top and go down to Combo on lower left. We need to verify that it's cluster, column, and line. Looks good. Now double click on that orange line. We want to change this to no line because we don't want it to be a line. We want it to have markers instead. So click on the marker, and that should also be no line. And then let's go up to marker options. And in built-in, you can select different shapes. Let's go with the one that looks like a dash and change it to be much larger at 25. Looks good. Next, let's double click on the blue columns. And you can make different changes here to the colors if you want. But let's click on the little graph, and then let's change the gap width down so that it's a little bit wider. If this were a dashboard, I would go up here and remove the grid lines by unchecking them and test it out. And there is your actual to goal chart.